Hello everybody, my name is Pascal Noel and this is a tutorial video for the Advanced Video Clip Manager Clipbox. If you don't already own Clipbox, go to nohl.lu and download your copy for free. So here we go! The main window is divided in three sections. On the left side is the Action panel. We'll see the functions of this panel in some future tutorials. The upper right panel is a browser or viewer. The lower right panel is the Information panel. Below this panel are several buttons to change the view. Let's select a movie in the viewer. The three buttons to the left change the view. We are here in the thumb view. The size of the icons can be changed by the buttons under the Size section. Now let's switch to the short stripe view to show stripes built of 5 pictures from the movie. Under the Size section we can choose 2 different sizes for this type of view. Now let's switch to the long stripe to see stripes built of 10 pictures of the movie. For this type of view we can change the size. For the next steps I switch back to the short stripe. This is my preferred view. Let's take a look on the Information panel at the lower right side. Under the Selected Information tab we see the information that Clipbox extracted from the movie on the Import process. You can add your own information by clicking on the plus button. The panel switches to the Input field. Enter some data and click on the Save button. The data has been added to the list. Click on the Tag tab. Here you see the tags that have been attributed to the movie. We'll see how tagging works and the actions that you can do here in a later tutorial. Let's go to the Preview tab. Clipbox shows a 10 pictures large preview of the movie called a contact sheet. A small overlay stripe on the contact sheet shows the main data about the movie. Click on the Preview tab to see a preview with 20 pictures. The last tab in the panel is the Live View tab. If your movie is compatible with Apple QuickTime, you can play the movie inside Clipbox. If it is a non-compatible format, you can simply play it in an external player by clicking on the green play button. Now let's take a look at the buttons on the panel section. The left button switches to the full-size browser panel. In this view, the browser takes the full height of the window and the Information panel is invisible. The second button switches to the split view that we already have seen before. The third button switches to the full-size Information view. In this view, the Information panel takes the full height of the window and the browser is invisible. This allows our Live View to take a large size of the window. The same thing is true for the contact sheet that is now shown in a 20 frames grid. Movies are mainly organized by tags in Clipbox, but Clipbox offers a second level of organization: the inbox, the library and the database. Movies are always imported to the inbox. You can switch between these boxes with the 3 tabs in the upper left corner. The first tab is selected and all the movies contained in the database are shown. Going through the tabs, we see that the library is empty and all the clips are in the inbox. Let's select some clips. By clicking on the Move to Library button, they are moved to the library and disappear from the inbox. Switch back to the library. The clips are now here. By selecting one or more clips, the button icon changes to the inbox icon, and the selected movies are moved again to the inbox by clicking on this button. Now let's see how to select clips in the browser panel. A click on a clip selects it. Clicking again on the clip unselects it. You can create an uncontinuous selection by holding down the Command key. By holding down the Shift key, you can create a continuous selection. If multiple clips are selected, the active record is the one with the play button. We are now at the end of this tutorial, and in the next tutorial I'll talk about how Clipbox handles duplicates and unwanted movies.